In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up files in OneDrive. By the end, you'll have OneDrive set up to automatically protect your important folders, photos, and screenshots, so you never have to worry about losing them. First, open OneDrive from the bottom right of your Windows taskbar. Look for the cloud icon in the system tray. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons and then select the cloud. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before you continue. Next, open the OneDrive menu and click the gear icon to access settings. In the small menu that appears, choose Settings again to open the full settings window. This is where you control how OneDrive syncs and backs up your files. In the settings window, go to the Sync and Backup section. This area manages what gets protected and how OneDrive handles your files in the background. Turn on the toggle for saving photos. With this enabled, OneDrive can automatically back up photos and videos from devices you connect to your PC, like phones, cameras, or USB drives. It's a simple way to capture everything the moment it's imported, and it keeps your images available across your devices. Then, turn on the toggle to save screenshots. When this is on, every time you take a screenshot, it's instantly saved to your OneDrive Pictures folder. That means your captures are backed up and easy to find, even if something happens to your PC. Now, click Manage Backup. This opens the known folder protection options for key Windows folders. You'll see choices like Desktop, Documents, and Pictures. Turn on the toggles for the folders you want OneDrive to protect. If you're not sure, enabling all of them gives you broad coverage so your day-to-day files are always synced to the cloud. When you're ready, click Save Changes. OneDrive will begin backing up the selected folders and will migrate your existing files into your OneDrive folder structure. Depending on how much you have, the first sync may take some time. Keep your PC powered on and connected to the internet, and avoid moving files while the transfer is in progress. You can check progress from the OneDrive cloud icon. You'll see syncing indicators next to files as they upload. A few quick tips as it runs. Make sure you have enough OneDrive storage for the content you're backing up, and keep an eye on any pause settings or battery saver modes that might slow syncing. Once complete, your files are protected, available on other devices, and recoverable if your PC is lost or replaced. That's it. Your OneDrive backup is set up and working.